I'm ready to speak.
You are ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
I think that you are looking absolutely confident person. Yeah, but you are Guru Anwar. Okay, once again, he looks like absolutely criminal. Okay, yes sir, but before some time.
कि इस जग में जितना जुल्म नहीं उतनी सहने की ताकत है, तानों के शोर में रहकर भी सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, तुम कितना कंकड़ फेंकोगे, मिटने वालों में नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। ये खुद से बोला।
Yes, I feel confident all the time
In
in
the class, how many fingers are there?
There are 5.
Where is Rosni? Yeah, that's very nice. And say to him, I love you. All right. Okay, just come. Please just come here. Just come here. Okay. Okay, that's really nice.
Anissa is here.
All right, the next person I would like to call Anisha. Please get the mic. And the next person is Anissa is going to come. Okay, Anissa, are you feeling nervousness or?
Yes, sir, I feel fear.
Okay, just see the camera. See the camera. Okay. Are you confident girl or are you nervous?
I am confident girl.
Okay, right now I think that you are not feeling comfortable, but don't worry. It is I mean, in a matter of seconds you will speak each and every sentence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you believe in the God?
Yes, I believe in the God.
Do you practice all the time?
Yes, I practice all the time.
Okay. How many boys are there? Can you please tell me? Just don't
There
count
about,
and speak.
5.
Okay, 5. Okay. How many girls are there?
3.
3 girls. Okay. Do you speak?
Yes, I
Do you
speak.
understand your personality?
Yes, I understand.
Do you check the data?
Yes, I check
Do you
the data.
understand all the points and topics?
Yes, I checked all the points and topics.
Okay. Do you understand all the valuable things?
Yes, I understand all the bad.
Where is Subham?
Subham is there.
Yeah. I mean, can you please tell me? I mean, how is he? He is a good person or he is absolutely bad person?
He is a good person.
Or how can you say that he is a good person?
Uh,
How can you say that he is a good person?
because I don't know, sir.
You don't know why? Why you are saying that he is a good person, but how he is a good person? I don't have any idea. Okay, what is his name?
Roshan.
Rosan. Okay, can you please tell me he's a good boy or a bad boy?
Good one.
Good boy. And who is bad boy in this class?
Nothing. Nothing.
No one is there. No one is there. Okay, can you please tell me what is his name?
Ankit.
Okay, I mean, do you agree with all the points?
Yes, I agree all the points.
Do you check?
Yes, I
Do you
check.
understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you every day go to the market?
Yes, I go to everyday market.
I go to market every day. Okay, do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you feel confident? Do you feel confidence all the time in the class?
Yes, I feel confident all the time in
In
the
the class. How many fingers are there?
There are 5.
Where is Rosni?
Roshan is there.
Where is Prince?
Prince is there.
Okay, can you please tell me where is Surjit?
Sujit is there.
Ask any question.
Do you know which is the dense forest in the world?
Which is the
Dense forest in the world.
which is the dense forest in the world? Have you any idea?
No, sir, I don't have
I know that. I know that you don't have any idea. Ask any question from Sandeep.
Whenever you speak English, how do you feel?
How do you feel?
When I speak English, I feel confident.
Once again, I feel you whenever you speak English,
I feel confident
you feel confident. Okay, next question.
Why?
because I am motivational speaker.
You're
I know about
motivational
all.
speaker. Really, you are motivational speaker. So please, please motivate Anisha. Please motivate Anisha.
Anissa, if you want to speak English fluently and conveniently, and if you want to speak like me, you will have to practice more and more, and you will learn more sentences and verbs and
Listen, you are not motivating. You are just giving some suggestion and tips in terms of English language. Just motivate her. Just motivate her.
in terms of
In terms of work, in terms of success, in terms of doing great job.
in Hindi.
Yeah, you can speak Hindi.
Speak any words.
Just motivate her. I don't have any idea what will you speak. But you listen, you are saying I am a motivational speaker. Just motivate Anisha.
जब अनीशा अपनी लाइफ में मतलब ऐसे फील कर रही हो कि जैसे मतलब मैं हारने वाली हूँ, तो खुद से अपने आप से एक वर्ड कहते रहना कि इस जग में जितना जुल्म नहीं उतनी सहने की ताकत है, तानों के शोर में रहकर भी सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, तुम कितना कंकड़ फेंकोगे, मिटने वालों में नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोके हो?
All right,
ये
brilliant
खुद से बोला।
Sandeep. All right, brilliant Sandeep.
ये
You are
percentage-
really a good motivator.
percentage-
That's very nice. You are motivating Anisha. And Anisha, how are you feeling? You are on the high or you are on the low?
Hi.
Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you speak? You speak in a very normal way, or you speak in a you speak confidently?
Sir, whenever I come in the class and I speak confident.
Yes. You feel confident. Okay,
Yes.
okay, do you know about this person?
Yes, I know about.
What is his name?
Prince?
Okay, Prince. Okay, can you please tell me, Prince is a good boy or a bad boy?
Prince is a good boy.
Good boy. How can you say that he's a good boy?
I don't know.
He looks like a criminal right now. Just can you please tell me safe? Yeah, he looks like criminal right now. How can you say that he is he is a good boy? Have you any idea about Prince?
No, sir, he looks like a criminal, but he is
Okay,
good boy.
he is a good boy. All right, that's very nice. Okay, what do you? Once again, I'll see his face. He looks like absolutely criminal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir. But before some time, you were saying that he is a good boy, but right now he's a criminal. Okay, just begin for Anisa. All right. Give me the mic, and the next person I would like to call here. The next person will come from the boys' side, Surjit. And I call him Guru Randhawa. Take this mic, Sujit. Just take here. Yes. Right now.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for my hot side.
Yeah,
and
okay.
Because you give me a chance to speak English.
Yes.
Sir, I'm ready to speak.
You are ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
I think that you are looking absolutely confident person. Yeah, but you are Guru Randhawa. Okay. Once again, do you speak all the time?
Yes, I speak all the time.
Do you check all the data?
Yes, I check all the data.
Okay. Do you feel? Whenever you come in the class, how do you just practice?
Sir, practice one by one, and when I come in the coaching,
Yes.
practice one by one sentence
Yes.
models
Yes.
like preposition.
Yes.
and,
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
Yes. Tense.
Tense.
Yes, and some other topics are there.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me which is your favorite topic? Like tense, model, preposition, conjunction. Which topic is your favorite?
Sir, my favorite topic is model.
Okay, your favorite topic is model.
Model.
That's very nice. Can you please tell me two sentence related to the model?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You should do the work.
Yes, very good.
You should have done this work.
You should have done this work. Okay, can you please? मैं आपको बोलना चाहिए. आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
आपको कंपेयर करना चाहिए.
You should compare.
आपको फिक्स करना चाहिए.
You should fix.
आपको लोगों को इनवाइट करना चाहिए.
You should invite all the people.
Okay, आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए.
You should understand.
Where is Prince?
Prince is front of me.
Okay, Prince is a good boy or a bad boy?
Prince is a good boy.
Prince is a good boy.
Vice.
I would like to ask, and I would like to repeat that question.
Yes, sir.
Why he is a good boy?
Prince is a good boy because
he gives you party all the time.
yes, sir. Anytime he's a
Gives you party.
yes,
That's why he is.
he will feed.
And listen,
he will feed
listen. Roshan does not give you party. Sandeep does not give you party. Suman does not give you party. Even I
Sir, this doesn't matter.
Nah.
He will
feed me or not.
feed me or not.
Huh?
But Prince is anytime feed me.
Yeah, anytime he gives you party and
Yes, sir.
party after party, right?
Yes, sir.
So Prince, you should come here. You should come at the center. Just come at the center, and
Thanks,
Prince, just shake the hand. Shake your hand, everybody. Yeah, that's very nice. And say to him, I love you. All right. Okay, just come, Prince. Just come here. Just come here. Okay. That's really nice. This is the bond of friendship.
Yes,
You
it's
always
very
get.
bond of friend.
Yeah, you always get party. You always get different party from Prince, and Prince always gives you party like dosa, chola, like
Samosa,
different
samosa, chola.
samosa and a pizza, right? Like a sandwich and some other
Yes, sir.
fast food. You eat that?
Yes, sir.
How gluten you are? How gluten you are? You don't give the party. You don't give party.
No, sir. I will feed you anytime.
I feed him. I feed.
Yes,
Yeah.
feed him.
Okay. Can you please tell me right now where is Roshan?
Roshan is front of me.
Okay, that's very nice. He's a good boy or a bad boy?
He's a Good boy.
You were on the verge of speaking. He's a bad boy. He's a good boy or a bad boy?
He's a good boy, sir.
Okay, that's very nice. According to his face, how I mean,
Sir, his
what do you want to
face
say
is
about
look
him?
Like his face is look like Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
Yes, sir, he's
There is a camera person. Just come here. He looks like a Hrithik Roshan. I mean, right now Sujit is saying that he looks like Hrithik Roshan. Guys, have you any idea about Hrithik Roshan? Hrithik Roshan is the one. Okay.
sir, he's a look like Pushpa Raj. Sir,
Pushpa, झुकेगा नहीं. All right. Big hand for Sujit. All right. Give the mic. The next person, take your place. The next person I would like to call here, and that person is going to come. Sandeep, come at the center and just take the mic. Just come here. You are on the verge of dancing.
No.
So why are you making the posture and gesture? Yeah. Okay. How are you?
I'm also cool and also fine. And you?
I'm absolutely fine, as you can see me right now. Okay, can you please tell me where is Ayub?
Ayub is before me, standing before me.
Okay, can you please tell me how many trainees are in the class right now?
In this time, so many training available in this class.
Training or trainees?
Trainees.
Trainees. Okay, can you please tell me what is your favorite topic in terms of English language?
My favorite topic is get it done.
Okay, get it done. You mean to say I am getting my house painted. I'm getting my car fixed like this. Okay, can you please tell me? मैं सीखता हूँ.
I learn.
मैं कंपेयर करता
I compare.
हूँ. मैं प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ.
I practice.
मैं 4 घंटे से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ.
I have been practice for.
मैं बोला.
I spoke.
मैं कंटिन्यूअसली बोला.
I spoke continuously.
मैं कॉल किया.
I called.
मैं लोगों को कॉल
I
किया.
called people.
मैं ऑर्डर किया.
I ordered.
मैं 10 बर्गर ऑर्डर किया.
I ordered 10 burgers.
Okay, do you know about me?
I know about
Did
you.
you check all the data?
I check all the data.
Do you understand?
Yes, I
Do
understand.
you make noise?
I don't make noise.
Do you fix?
Yes, I fix.
Do you understand my language?
Yes, I understand your language.
Okay, do you speak? Do you talk with all the trainees?
Yes, I talk
With all the trainees.
trainees.
Okay, do you understand how to speak English in front of people?
Yes, I know how to speak in front of people.
Do you speak in front of people all the time?
Yes, I speak in front of people.
Okay, that's very nice.
Because-
Whenever you come in the class, how do you feel and how do you motivate all the boys and girls?
When I come in my class
Yes.
and I
Class or
class.
Yes.
I feel confident and I talk to each other, anyone.
Yeah, anyone. Like what is his name?
His name is Subham Bhaiya.
Okay, and what is his name?
His name is Subham.
Do you talk with Roshan?
Yes, I talk with Roshan.
Okay. So can you please tell me what do you think about all the girls? They are practicing well or they are just doing normal tasks?
She is a best girl in this my class, and because Roshni is practice all the time.
Yes.
She is serious in this class.
And what about 13 years old, this girl?
I don't know about this as
Okay. And what do you know about Pinky?
Pinky. She is a good girl.
Okay. Can you please tell me whenever you come in the class and how do you motivate all the boys?
When I come in this class,
Uh-huh.
I go on podium.
Yes.
I motivate all times.
Yes.
I speak in front of
All right.
any-
Big hand for Sandeep. All right. Big hand for Sandeep. All right. They give the mic.